This is Cross Manufacturing's modern manufacturing plant in Devizes, England, where, among other things, they make turbo blower rings by the million. They are manufactured from high chrome, heat-resisting stainless steel. The particular grade of steel used is martensitic, which, while not meaning much to most of us, does mean that it's magnetic, and this is a very interesting quality, as we shall see. At this plant in Devizes, there are 8 double-disc grinders contributing to the problem, and in November 2002, Cross installed a novel solution in the form of this plant situated just outside the grinding hall. Let's look first at the magnetic separator. The glass body of the separator allows us to see what is going on. Inside the body, halfway up, is the horizontal baffle plate, which divides the body into upper and lower sections. Arranged in a ring passing through the baffle plates are vertical tubes, inside which fit magnetic shuttle assemblies. Although they are not themselves visible, we can see how their presence is attracting the steel particles onto the tube surface. These state-of-the-art magnets are of a rare earth material called neodymium iron boron, which generate an astonishingly high magnetic field. There are several magnets in each shuttle assembly, any one of which, if placed on a steel surface, is very difficult to remove by hand. When sufficient steel particles have been trapped, the separator purges itself, and it does this in a very interesting way. While the coolant continues to flow from top to bottom, the magnetic shuttles are shifted from the lower chamber through the baffle plate and into the upper chamber. The steel particles, which had been held by the powerful magnetic field, are now released and flushed downward and out of the separator body. If I can keep the camera still enough, you can see the magnetic shuttles moving to the upper chamber, leaving the particles behind, which have nothing to cling to and are washed away downwards. At the end of the process, the magnets return to the lower chamber for the collection process to begin again. If we look at the process again, this time from a little closer, you can get a better idea of the purging process. There go the magnets. The steel particles have nothing to cling to and are washed away very quickly. Once again we see the end of the purge cycle, with the magnets returning to the lower chamber for the process to begin again.